Welcome back to our series all about creating an influencer media kit with Wix. If you've watched the first video on our playlist, then you already have your branding assets prepared, and that includes your brand logo if you have one or want to use one on your site. Now it's time to upload them and add your logo to your header. Let's get started. On the Wix editor, go to Media on the left. Click on Upload Media. Click Upload from Computer, and then navigate to the location where your files are. Select all the files that you're going to need on your site, including your logo. And once you select everything you need, click on Open and wait for all of your files to finish uploading to your site. And now that you have your branding assets ready and uploaded, to make things more organized, you can create a folder for each category and place corresponding assets there. This keeps things tidy. Click on this Create New Folder button here, and then input the name. Say, for example, Logos. All right, now that your folder is created, it's time to add your files over there. So simply drag and drop your files onto the folder where they should be. And you can repeat the process until all of your files are organized. Now you can close this window. Since we're going to be adding our own logo, you must delete this logo at the top because we will be replacing this one with our own. Click on it and hit the delete button on your keyboard. Go to Media once again, and under Site Files, select your logo and click on Add to Page. Resize your logo and crop it if you need to, and properly position your logo to your header. And you might need to readjust the height of your header as well. And there we go. Now let's link our logo to our home page. So click on your logo and click on the link button. Here, make sure to select Page, and on this drop-down, select Home Page. Make sure that Current Window is selected here, and then click on Done. So every time someone clicks on your link, it'll take them back to the home page. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your branding assets and placed your logo onto your header. In the next video, we'll focus on building your bio section, where you'll tell your story and share what makes you unique as an influencer. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss the next step. See you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.